In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Thinkorswim on Charles Schwab. If you're looking for Thinkorswim, the key is to access it through Schwab's official channels, not a random download page. I'll show you two simple ways, starting with the easiest approach from the Schwab website, and then how to launch Thinkorswim on the web with no download. First, from the Schwab website, sign into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, look at the top navigation and choose Trade. Then select Trading Platforms. This is the official hub, where Schwab lists all supported trading platforms. On that page, you'll see Thinkorswim options clearly labeled: desktop, web, and mobile. From here, you can download the desktop version directly from Schwab or open the web version instantly in your browser. This route keeps everything secure and ensures you're getting the current supported software. If you prefer the deep feature set and power of a full application, choose desktop. If you want quick access without installing anything, launch Thinkorswim Web. And if you like to trade on the go, you'll see the mobile option listed there as well. Now, if you want to jump straight into the browser, you can use Thinkorswim Web without any download. Open your browser and go to trade.thinkorswim.com. Sign in with your Schwab credentials and you'll land right inside the platform. From there, you can work with interactive charts, access trading tools, manage your watch lists, and place orders through the order entry panel. It's fast, convenient, and ideal for quick checks or trading when you're away from your primary computer. A few important notes to keep in mind. You must have an active Schwab brokerage account to use Thinkorswim. Some account types may need platform approval before Thinkorswim becomes available. If you don't see it in the trading platform section, that could be why. And for anyone who previously used TD Ameritrade, your login is your Schwab credential set. You don't use an old TD Ameritrade login anymore. Always make sure you're on official Schwab or Thinkorswim pages, and consider bookmarking the trading platforms page or trade thinkorswim.com for quick, secure access. That's it. Use the Schwab dashboard to find the trading platforms page and choose desktop, web, or mobile, or head straight to the Thinkorswim web address to launch it in your browser. Keeping to these official paths helps you avoid outdated versions and keeps your trading environment secure and up to date.